make slime. We have a jar, glue, a school glue, baking soda, food coloring, contact gun solution, baby oil, and a spatula to mix it up. We're going to pour the glue in right now. Use this hand.
Yeah, just dump it in.
I tried to do.
Use your spatula. Mix it up. Use your other hand to hold the jar.
Since the jar's already gooey. It's making purple. My favorite color. It's time for the contact lens solution. And the baby oil.
And mix.
And mix it. It's all liquidy, kind of like my face, and yeah, smells like baby oil.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
We got a bunch of slime. Yeah. I love the slime. Today we made slime. It was fun. It was cool. I want to make it again.